Hey y'all, Rick Sky here, and several of y'all asked, hey man, how do you keep the raccoons off of your deck? You know, you got a lot of raccoons, man. How do you keep them off the deck? So this right here is actually my raccoon system. So, you know, a raccoon could come up and be like, but when he gets there, when he or she gets there, they can't pass it. So every pole that leads to my deck has a raccoon deterrent mechanism, because you don't, I mean, nothing wrong with raccoons, but you know, sometimes you just want to be on your deck and not be confronted by George Cooney and crew. So put these little things up and they keep the raccoons off my deck. See, I've got that there. So that begs the question, have I had a raccoon problem on my deck? Yes. Yeah, there's been several times, and they would appear uninvited, and I said, that's cool, but you know, next time give me a heads up. So it became a repeat problem, and I just said, you know, George Cooney, you got to tell your crew, man, this is not acceptable. And George Cooney did everything he could. He told his entire crew, but they still continued to go up on the deck. So I had to install these things to keep George Cooney wasn't the offender, but it was his crew that just couldn't conform with the rules that were set forth. So I had to install this to keep George Cooney, not George Cooney, but George Cooney's crew, all the raccoons off my deck. So it works, it's effective. Now, it begs the question, now what if the raccoons figure out how to get past that? Now that's possible, but I don't think that, you know, at least out here, I don't think they have cell phone service, so I don't think the raccoons will be able to Google it and figure out how to bypass a raccoon deterrent mechanism on a pole for a deck. And they may. I mean, who knows? You never know. Tell me what you think within the comment section below, and be sure to subscribe and check out all of my raccoon videos. Y'all have a good day. But this is how I keep the raccoons off of my deck.
Hey y'all, Rick Sky here. I hope you enjoyed this video, and please be sure to subscribe to my channel, and when you do, ring that bell icon to be notified whenever I post another video. Thanks for your viewership, and y'all have a good day.